You gotta have a bias for action. You gotta take the risks at the time, listen to your gut, and know that that is the decision that you need to make. Choose and go.
You set this goal. I'm gonna win the Olympics. I've never done it before. Explain how this happened.
Well, in the time that we have. What if you committed to a chunk of time with clear start and stop points where you said, I am all in? It's the Olympic final of the men's 8 rowing event at the Beijing Olympics. And I'm watching that, I'm starting to study their physiques. Guys with these stringy arms and legs, and I look down at my arms and legs, and I think, how hard could it be? The reason I have this story to share with you is less of what I had to do and more the choices of what environment I put myself in. Because the discipline, the self-accountability, it slides and it ebbs and it flows, and some days it's not there. But if you're part of that team, that shared vision, it will pull you forward. Who do you choose to surround yourself with? Olympic champions? That's going to change you. There is so much value in going one step beyond your quitting point. That is where there's so much to learn about yourself. Are you committed? Are you all in? Man, I have to tell you, there's a night and day difference between 95% and 100%. Why is it so often we come to a major problem, a major hurdle, and you want to recoil? Well, the answer is simple. That's human nature. Every company is dealing with massive amounts of change. Digital transformation in the business, competitive shifts in the landscape. And sometimes the best way to react to change is actually to slow down, to trust yourself, to sustain an effort long enough to see real progress. Mind creates boundaries. You've got to say, what not insignificant portion of my life I'm going to commit wholly to this thing that I'm trying to do. I want people to laugh. I want people to reflect. But most of all, I want people to take action, to make a change, to grow, to move the needle, to move forward.
This is what I needed to hear today, I didn't want to hear it, I needed to hear it.
His stories and the way he tells them are so powerful.
He's so innovative, he's so impactful.
And for you as an individual, of course, courage. I can't say die persistence to see it through, to learn something about yourself. Regardless of the outcome, it can't be about the medal. It can't be about the medal. What personal significance can you attach to the hardest things you chase after in life? So to close, I have a simple question for you, and that is, what is waiting for you on the other side of this adversity, this challenge? The answer might surprise you. Thank you for having me. I wish you all the best. Thank you and good luck.